that, no spoiling and everything. So you get to see me in any of the fast food, I'm actually there collecting mason jars to use to preserve my foods. And I always advise to use the one that has the iron lid. Okay, people will be watching me and be wondering, in all my videos, in all the smoothies, all the healthy food videos that we do, you're like, this video that this one is doing is not realistic in the everyday Lagos that we are living. How can I go and buy this and do this and do this? Well, for me, it comes easily for me. It's part of my life. It's what I do. So how do I do it? I preserve my foods. I buy my food in bulk. I don't waste. I'm a frugal mom of 5. I don't waste time, I don't waste money, and I don't waste food. So I will take you to my home, give you a sneak peek on how I've been able to use preservation to live, to encourage a healthy lifestyle in my home. So let's go. Come now, let's go. So this is my pantry. This is where I store my food. These are pantry foods, and this is a very cool place. It's not near the cooker where I cook my food. So you can see my fresh tomato that I have preserved. I do it in batch. I have preserved some from November, and I have done some I did some when I came back from the holidays. And the thing about preservation is that you have to label the time that you did it. So this one, I did it 1st of January 2018, and I did one, the one that we're eating currently, to make sauces, stews and everything. I made them in November, and it has been like that, no spoiling and everything. So you get to see me in any of the fast food, I'm actually there collecting mason jars to use to preserve my foods. And I always advise to use the one that has the iron lid. It helps better when you're heating it in your pot. So this is one. This is my tomatoes, and then you can see this is my egusi. I buy in bulk because I have a large family, and only in bulk can I be able to save. Then you can see this is my ogbono. Yes, I store them here because this is one of the foods that we eat. It's one of the common soups we eat in our house, so I always keep them readily. And then when I want to cook, what I do, I just take them out, meal it in bulk, then I put it in the freezer. Anyone I use and remain, I put in the freezer. And of course, as an Idoma woman, I have, the Yoruba people call this orula, but I also, this is one of the constant staple that I eat in my house, dry okra soup. It's a weight loss soup, and it's a very healthy soup, and it's very delicious. I cook it with goat meat, and we're good to go. Anything it goes, you can even take it on its own, you can take it with any swallow of your choice. So I meal them in bulk, and then I save them in my custard bucket. I'm a collector of containers, I'm a collector of bottles, I'm a collector of plates, because I use them to store my foods. So these are for my pantry foods. And let's go to my spice rack. So this is my spice rack. This is where I keep my spices, my crayfish powder. I store them here. It's far away from, because if it's near the cooker where we cook, the heat will affect the spices, so I keep them far away. This is why I built this rack. It's almost getting to 2 years now, and I put my teas here. I dehydrate most of my leaves. Like you can see, this is part. I bought this when I traveled, and I still use them till today. And this is my crayfish and iru. I meal them together. I use it to cook. This is my adobo, my fish seasoning. This is my agave, my fruit cutter. I have my sea salt and my brags. I keep everything here because it's far away from my vanilla. You can see my vanilla extract is here. So this is where I keep my spices. See where my cooker is? My cooker is far away from the spice rack, because it's easy for spices to just spices just end up, the heat will just congeal it and make it cloggy, and it's not too good when you're about to cook with it. In summary, what I've just been trying to teach you people or share with you is that healthy living is not that difficult. It's very realistic. All you need to do is plan your day, plan your food, plan your life, and it will be easy for you to bring healthy living into your daily routine. I hope you have learned something from me today. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and follow us on all our social media handles. It's all Wellness Patron all through. So thank you and God bless you. See you next time. If you would like me to do more of these videos, please comment in the comment section and tell me what you want me to do videos on. I will do the research. If it's part of my life, I will show it to you. If it's something I need to do research on, I will do the research and come and share it with you. Remember, we're in this together. Healthy living is not that difficult. It's something that you need to plan ahead and incorporate into your life. So thank you and God bless.